Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Guinea using the Remitly app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the Remitly app, then go to the top left corner of the screen where you can choose the country that you would like to send money to. In our case, Guinea. Then choose the country, and on the bottom of the screen you can tap on get started, and when you tap on get started you can type in the amount of money that you would like to send. On the top of the screen you can see your local currency, and below that you can see the same amount in the recipient country's currency. Then tap on continue to choose the delivery method that you would like to use. We have for Guinea, we have bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile money, so choose the one that you prefer. For bank deposits we have available these two banks. Then you have to add the recipient's account number. Then tap on continue. Then you also have to add the first name and last name of the recipient. Continue again. Add the city and the region. You can choose the region here on the bottom of the screen. Tap on continue again. You can also add the recipient's phone number if you want him to get notified when the money arrives, but this is not mandatory, so you can also skip this step. And the last step is going to be adding your debit or credit card details. And the Remitly app can charge your card just as a normal payment, and the recipient is going to receive the money in his bank account. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.